Is your Acura MDX key fob from 2014 to 2020 not working, or the case won't stay closed? First, the most common culprit is a dead CR2032 battery. These batteries typically last 2 to 4 years, but extreme temperatures or frequent use can shorten their lifespan. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the problem and the case won't stay closed, inspect the plastic clips for damage, which often weaken over time. For remote issues, Acura dealership apps can use OBD2 scanners for troubleshooting, but battery replacement is often the fix. Remember, these fobs aren't waterproof and exposure can cause malfunction. A new CR2032 battery will cost around $3 to $5. It is also important to make sure the positive side, marked with a plus, faces up in the fob. To replace the battery, use a plastic pry tool or guitar pick to gently separate the two halves of the key fob case along the seam to avoid scratches. The CR2032 battery powers the remote at 3 volts. Remove the old battery and replace it with a new CR2032. Ensure the positive side faces up. If the case still won't close, inspect the plastic clips for breakage. Minor repairs can be done with adhesive, but a replacement housing might be needed, costing $10 to $20 for third-party kits or more for OEM parts. If the remote still doesn't work after replacement, the circuit board may be faulty, or it may require syncing with the vehicle. Clean all contacts with isopropyl alcohol.